So, just on my way back from the cemetery, I found this little dude. He's not scared of me. Got close, I think he's a baby. To mess with nature or not to mess with nature. If I leave it there, someone's bound to come along and kick it. I wonder if I can... Pity you can't go over to that other tree, just underneath the tree. If I touch you, you die. Yet you're a pigeon because you're the noisy fuckers that wake me up in the morning, so you're better off being dead. But I can't do that to nature. So, I know this is hard for people to understand, but if it's a baby, and the ants are hanging around it, and he's scared of me, so I think I might leave him for a bit. And, yeah, there's no traffic around, there's no people, so I think he might be alright.